This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
সিনিয়র ব্যক্তিরা যারা কলকাতার রাস্তায় নেমে প্রতিবাদ করছেন তাদের স্মৃতিতে ২১ বছর আগের এই ঘটনা রয়েছে। আজকের বাদবাকি যে চিকিৎসকদের আইনজীবী তারা একটা কথা বলেন যে কোথাও গিয়ে বারবার যে কথাটা জুনিয়র হোক সিনিয়র হোক চিকিৎসকেরা বলছেন যে গোটা ঘটনার পিছনে কারা ছিলেন, এখানে কিন্তু শুধুমাত্র সন্দীপ ঘোষকে অ্যারেস্ট করলে হবে না, এরকম বহু লোক রয়েছে তারা কিন্তু এখনও পর্যন্ত ঘোরাফেরা করছে। তাদের যদি চিহ্নিত না করা যায় তাহলে কিসের নিরাপত্তা, এই প্রশ্ন তোলা হয়েছে। একই সঙ্গে বলা হয়েছে করুণানন্দী তিনি বলেছেন যে সিবিআই এর রিট পিটিশনে যাদের নামের উল্লেখ রয়েছে তারা অনেকেই ক্রাইম সিনে ছিলেন, যতক্ষণ না তদন্ত শেষ হচ্ছে তাদেরকে সাসপেন্ড করা উচিত এবং এই নাম তারা সিল্ড কভারে জানাবেন, তারা প্রকাশ্যে জানাতে চান না। কোথাও গিয়ে বারবার তোমার সঙ্গে একটু আগেও যখন কথা হচ্ছিল বলছিলাম যে চিকিৎসকেরা কি চাইছেন, জুনিয়র চিকিৎসকেরা কেন এই আন্দোলন চালিয়ে যাচ্ছেন, তাদের বক্তব্য নিরাপত্তা কিন্তু এখনও নেই। অর্থাৎ আরজিকরের একটা ঘটনা ঘটেছে, সেটা বারবার আজকের খুব স্বাভাবিকভাবেই কয়েকটা তথ্য আসছে, সেখানে একটা প্রশ্ন উঠছিল যে তিলোত্তমা কি কোথাও এই বিষয়গুলি নিয়ে প্রতিবাদ করেছিলেন, যার জেরেই কি তাকে খুন হতে হলো। বাকি যারা তিলোত্তমার হয়ে পথে আন্দোলন করছেন সেই সব জুনিয়র চিকিৎসকদের বক্তব্য হচ্ছে আমরা যে কাজে ফিরে যাব তার নিরাপত্তা কোথায় রয়েছে। শুধুমাত্র সাগর দত্ত মেডিকেল কলেজ হোক বা ন্যাশনাল মেডিকেল কলেজ হোক, সেখানে যে ঘটনাগুলো ঘটছে সেটা তো প্রকাশ্যে ঘটছে, কিন্তু এমন অনেকজন যাদেরকে ক্রাইম সিনে দেখা গেছিলো, এবং মনে রাখতে হবে সন্দীপ ঘোষ নির্যাতিতার বাড়ির লোককে তো কোনো ফোন করেননি, এফআইআর রুজু হয়নি, তখন কিন্তু ইতিমধ্যেই তিনি অনেককে ফোন করে ডেকে এনেছিলেন যাদের ছবি পাওয়া গেছে। ক্রাইম সিনে যদি এরা থেকে থাকেন তারা এখনও পর্যন্ত গ্রেফতার হননি, ফলে ভয় পাচ্ছেন তারা। তার কারণ এরা সরাসরিভাবে যুক্ত রয়েছেন, তাদের যতক্ষণ না পর্যন্ত গ্রেফতার করা হবে, প্রকাশ্যে আনা হবে, তাহলে কিসের বিষয় তারা ফিরতে পারবেন, এই প্রসঙ্গ তারা করছেন। ইন্দিরা জয় সিং তিনি বলেন জুনিয়র ডাক্তাররা ইতিমধ্যেই কাজে যোগ দিয়েছেন, কিন্তু যাদের বিরুদ্ধে অভিযোগ তারা এখনো পর্যন্ত আরজিকর কর্তৃপক্ষ যে কারণেই জুনিয়র ডাক্তাররা ভয় পাচ্ছেন। শ্রাবন্তী আমি তোমার কাছে ফিরছি।
Any person, my lord, however high or low, of having been involved, my lord, in something, or that, my lord, his presence is not required, he should be removed, or he will be action will be taken.
I would only request, my lord,
no difficulty.
I would request, my lord, them to give me those names in a sealed cover. I will pass it on to CBI.
No, until the state.
This one, a fourth status report dated 30 September 2024 by the DIG, Head of Branch, Special Crime -1 CBI, has been submitted to the court. The status report indicates the leads on the investigation, which are being followed up by the CBI, and the steps which have been taken in the course of the investigation. Next. During the course of the hearing, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the resident doctors have submitted their concerns to the effect that, I just don't say that, learned counsel, without at this stage it would be inappropriate, at this stage, where the investigation is in progress, it would not be appropriate to set down the details of the investigation or the leads which are being followed by the CBI.
আপনাদের লাইভ স্ট্রিমিং এই মুহূর্তে আমরা দেখাচ্ছি তৃতীয় স্ট্যাটাস রিপোর্ট জমা দিয়েছে সিবিআই, এবং এখনো পর্যন্ত যে যে বিষয়গুলো সামনে উঠে এসছে তার মধ্যে দেবাশিস সোমের নাম সামনে উঠে এসেছে, এবং জুনিয়র ডাক্তারদের তরফ থেকে বলা হচ্ছে যে জুনিয়র ডাক্তাররা কাজে যোগ দিয়েছেন, কিন্তু ক্রাইম সিনে যারা উপস্থিত ছিলেন তারা এখনো পর্যন্ত নিজেদের পদে বহাল রয়েছেন, যার ফলে ভয় পাচ্ছেন জুনিয়র চিকিৎসকেরা। এই বিষয়টাও সামনে উঠে এসেছে। একই সঙ্গে প্রধান বিচারপতি আবারও সিবিআই তদন্তের পক্ষেই সওয়াল করেছেন।
Investigation of the CBI by the orders of the division bench of the Kolkata High Court. Whether each of these are completely disconnected features, or whether there is a relationship between the two, is a matter again of investigation by the CBI. During the course of the hearing, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the resident doctors as well as their associations have drawn attention to the fact that several persons against whom there are serious allegations of misdemeanor in the medical college and hospital are still occupying positions of responsibility. Full stop. The status report which has been submitted by the CBI indicates that several of these aspects are still under investigation. Stop. Responding to the submission of the doctors to the effect that the persons in positions of responsibility at the medical college and hospital should either be suspended or be directed to proceed on leave is a matter which will require examination by the state government as the appointing and disciplinary authority. Full stop. Mr. Rakesh Dwivedi, Learned Senior Counsel appearing on behalf of the state of West Bengal, has submitted that if the CBI would share with the state government such preliminary material which would indicate the complicity of any persons in positions of authority, the state government will duly take necessary action in accordance with law, consistent with the service rules and regulations. Full stop. That apart, in the event that it appears that the irregularities which are noticed in the context of the RG Core Medical College and Hospital cover not just the hospital in question, hospital and medical college in question, but extend to other such institutions within the state, within or outside the state, So the court may be, the investigating team of the CBI may be informed along the modalities which have already been prescribed by the earlier orders of this court. Thereafter, the court may take a call on what further directions to the CBI would be required to ensure that the investigation covers other aspects which may travel beyond the incidents which have taken place at the RG Core Medical College and Hospital.
I have a request to make.
Just record the IN number.
Now, sorry,
I have one request,
the fresh application being IA number
213387 of 2024.
213387 of 2024, which has been filed in that regard, is taken on the file.
Great.
Full stop. Details of the IA may be shared with the investigating officers of the CBI.
Milord, your lordship may kindly record. Milord,
my IA number.
I have one request.
Now, just 1 second. Now,
I have one
a little bit time for Mr. Dwivedi. Mr. Dwivedi, between the last order and this order, today's hearing, what steps have been taken by the state of West Bengal for the installation of CCTV cameras?
We have filed an F.
2, for providing additional security. 3, for constructing duty rooms which are separate from male and female doctors, for construction of toilets, for providing biometric access to critical areas of hospitals. What steps? What is the present improvement in the?
We have filed an affidavit, today, in the morning.
What have you done?
We have shown the progress, in that, but we need some more time, to complete the task. Kindly have paragraph 8.
At page?
Page 5. There have been some logistical delays, because of release of funds and all that. Otherwise,
Floods.
And
floods in the
massive floods.
floods in the state of the
You have to take action now. How many new CCTV cameras have been installed? Tell us that.
We mentioned CC at page 5, paragraph 8, last bottom, 6178 were to be installed, 26% have been installed, up till, and remaining we are likely to complete by 10th of October, And so far as RG Core is concerned, it is at paragraph 11.
There's that no part of the work is above 50%. Duty rooms, 49%.
That's right.
Washrooms, 40%. Lighting arrangements, 33%. CCTV installation, 26%. Why is the progress so tardy? Because I mean, we have been monitoring this now for since 9th of August. We are into
Because tender,
September.
etc., had to be floated because of all those. But we are like, we'll complete all this road by maximum 15th October.
You have said 31st of October, completed by 15th of October now.
I'm saying 15th. I've told them myself they wanted time to be 31st so that we don't have to revert back for more time. But I want your lordships to post it by 15th October, my lord, so that by that time, my lord, we can give your lordships. Most of the work will be completed, my lords. And so far, RG Core is concerned, my lord, duty room, my lord, tenders, etc., have matured, but we have to take permission
Who's looking after that? Who's now the principal at the RG Core Medical College and Hospital today? Has somebody been appointed?
Yes.
Dr. Manas Banerjee.
He's come from outside, or he was a doctor within actually?
He's from Bengal only.
No, but he was within RG Core, or he's come in from some
No, he
other-
was 4 years back. He has been in RG Core.
He was principal of Barasat Medical College.
Which medical college?
Barasat Medical College.
Barasat Medical College.
And later on, sir, he was, after this incident, we reviewed his reputation. I knew him. So he was earlier MSVP of RG Core almost 4 years back, very efficient officer. So we got him back as a principal because he was already promoted. And one of our best MSVP, Dr. Saptarshi Chatterjee, who was there in Bangla Medical College. We also brought him. He's a young guy and he has developed quite a good reputation and comfort with the resident doctors. And both of them are very well educated within the.
So you are the health.
He's the principal secretary, Lord Health.
The principal secretary health of Government of West Bengal, who was present in the course of the hearing, has informed the court that following the incident which took place on 9 August 2024, the state government has brought in 2 officers as the principal of the medical college and hospital and as the medical superintendent and vice principal. Full stop. These officers are bracket 1.
Professor Dr. Manas Banerjee.
Professor Dr. Manas Banerjee, who was earlier working as the who was earlier posted as principal at the
Barasat Medical College.
At Barasat Medical College, semicolon, and bracket 2.
Professor Dr. Saptarshi Chatterjee.
Professor Dr. Saptarshi Chatterjee.
He was posted as a MSVP of Bankura Sammelini Medical College.
Was previously posted as the medical superintendent and vice principal of the Bankura Medical College. The status report, which has been submitted by the state of West Bengal, indicates the following position in regard to the ongoing work at 28 medical colleges. 8 March ko A1 ko copy kar lo. As regards the status of the work at the RG Medical College, the status report is in the following terms, page 6 or 7 ko BB. Though the state has indicated that the remaining work would be completed within a time frame of 31 October 2024. The court has been assured that all work would be completed by 15 October 2024.
We will make all endeavors. Some little thing will remain.
The state will make all endeavors to complete the work by 15 October 2024. To stop, the state shall positively ensure that work is completed by 15 October 2020.
It's not to push the point.
In RG Core, one moment.
If this irregularity has been going on for at least 2 decades, and if the individuals who have now been appointed have been associated
My lord, can the state please
then the
finish?
fact that their previous employment was not with RG Core doesn't make a difference.
No, but
I know, but sometimes what happens is that merely because he was with RG Core 4 years back,
At least
he may not be involved in anything at all if these are.
So disclose whether the individuals had previous relationship with RG Core. Let them at least disclose.
My lord, but that is the most shocking part of it. Because 4 years back, my lord,
You know what? Sometimes you need a person who is conscious of that particular establishment also. If that person is otherwise free of taint, and today the government is bringing in somebody from outside, there's no reason for us to suspect that a person who is deliberately brought in with a taint.
yes, my lord, we
years
took
back,
instructions
there was-
and we are told that immediately the doctors are not aware of any taint, but we will come back with specific
May I
instructions.
In RG Course College, Lord, regarding duty room, Lord, the tenders have matured, but we need the CBI's clearance, Lord, because of the crime.
Mr. Solicitor.
I'm sure, Lord, will.
They need